Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Settings and locating Digital Wellbeing. This is essential so the widget can be added. Once done, decide whether you want the dashboard, a focus mode toggle, or an app timer shortcut on your home screen, because each serves a different goal. You should also free a home screen space by removing a less used icon. Next, long press an empty area to open widgets. You'll need that menu for the immediate next step. Now drag the chosen Digital Wellbeing widget onto the home screen. Make sure to place it where it's visible and convenient. After positioning, tap the widget to enter configuration. This is where you set schedules, app timers, and which notifications should be muted. If resizing is available, adjust for clarity so you see statuses at a glance. Make sure to save any changes and test the toggle or timer so you confirm the widget behaves as. Finish by testing the home screen control. Activate focus mode or trigger an app timer to verify settings apply immediately. If the widget doesn't appear or doesn't work, first remove and re-add it. If that fails, reboot your device and clear the launcher cache to refresh widgets. Make sure Digital Wellbeing has necessary permissions and that your OS version supports the widget type. If not, update the system or use an accessible shortcut as a fallback. This resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.